Today I'm going to show you how you can enter your SLO writing pretest scores into the spreadsheets on Google. So you will have received an email from me and you're going to want to click on it, and you'll see I gave you some background information about how to fill it out, but I'm also making this video in case you want me to walk you through step by step. So once you get this, you can click open. And I now have each of your spreadsheets for your grade level in the folder. And of course, this one is mine just as an example, so I'll delete it later. So you'll find your own class and you'll open it up. And as you can see, I have entered just student A through H just as an example for you so that you could see how to do it. Your student names should already be entered here for you. If you notice that someone's name is spelled wrong, you can always just click in the box and make changes as needed. Or if you need to add a student, you can either add them at the end if they are at the end of your alphabet, or if you need to insert them in the middle of your roster, you could click on where you want them to go and then go to Insert. You can do row above or row below. So depending on where exactly you want the student to go in your class. So if I was going to insert a row below, it would give me an extra row and I could fill in a student's name here. But I'm going to undo that. Oops. Okay, so now all I have to do is enter my baseline scores from the pretest. So you used your SLO writing rubric to score the writing pieces, and you just have to fill in the total number of points that the student received. So I'm going to do a few examples so you can see. Let's say this student got a 6. I just press return. And you'll see that it automatically populates a growth target for that student. So you don't have to guess what their growth target is or fill that in yourself. If this student got a 6, their growth target is an 8. Let's say this student started with a 0. Their growth target is only a 3. And it's going to depend on each grade level. So the growth targets are different for K1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, but your template is set up for your grade level, so you don't have to enter any of that information. So I'm just going to continue here and give some pretend data. And you can just see that it is populating the growth target itself. So once you finish all of your students, their growth targets are just in there for you. You don't have to do anything else. You don't need to save it. It automatically saves in Google. And then again, at the end of the year, I will reshare these with you and you can enter your students' final scores for the post-test. So that's it. You can just X out of this and you are done for today. Let me know if you have any questions or need any help.